Namaste, my beautiful friends. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Lindsay Nova, and I am an international yoga teacher traveling the world, teaching yoga and spreading light and joy to all of those that I meet. And I am excited to continue my Pranayama series with you guys today here from my tent in Pushkar, India. So, we are going to practice square breathing today. So this is a great technique to practice after you have done Samavriti. And it is a great practice that anyone can do. And it is a great practice to begin to work on kumbhaka, which is breath retention. And this is a very safe way to work on this. Because actually in pranayama, kumbhaka or breath retention is the most important part of pranayama. So this is retaining your breath or holding your breath. So we have 4 parts of the breath. You have the inhale and holding your breath at the top, and then the exhale and holding your breath at the bottom. So inhale is called paraka, then you have kumbhaka at the top, and then exhale is rachaka, and then you would hold your breath at the bottom. Okay, so another kumbhaka. Bahir and antir kumbhaka. Okay, so to practice this, again, we'll start with the 4-count inhale and the 4-count exhale. So close your eyes and find a comfortable position. Empty your lungs completely. And then we'll inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath at the top. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath out, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you can see how the breath is like a box. You inhale for 4 counts, hold the breath for 4 counts, exhale for 4 counts, and then hold the breath for 4 counts. So it's a nice even square. So it's called square or box breathing. Now, once you become comfortable and confident in this breathing technique, you can certainly expand it to hold your breath or take the counts longer. So you can do 5 counts, 6 counts, etc. So I welcome you to start with the 4-count breath, see how that goes, and then continue to increase and expand your lung capacity. If you have any questions, please let me know. Make sure that you hit subscribe down below and check out my website, lindsaynova.com, to join me on a yoga teacher training somewhere at an amazing destination around the world. Namaste, Sat Nam.